scared the shit out of me, man.
Bro, from a ban to 800x. So spend your points in the store. I wish you luck. All the caps on the items are removed, guys.
Eggs. 4 more eggs. 4 more eggs.
Oh my god, I don't like that, bro.
Give us 5 wild script. We need 3 more eggs somehow.
I don't like that.
I think it's a ban, guys.
I don't like that.
Unless we get a wild on one now. Or 2. Okay, we're safe. That's huge. Best symbol.
What?
Yeah!
What?
Give it to me, baby! Yes!
There is no way from a ban
Oh my god, you scared.